Namaste and welcome to my learning journey cookery. Today we are going to make delectable dates, and for this we need only three ingredients: milk, you can take any whole milk. We need dates, any good quality dates, and I have taken here 250 grams of dates. And then we need mishri. These are the crystallized sugar. Very easy process. First we need 1 liter of milk and we boil it to make it in the form of mawa. The mawa for this has to be very dry. So we'll make the mawa. This is 250 ml. So we'll take 4 cups of milk. And put it to boil so that it thickens. This time in preparing our dates. Dates I generally make it clean by using a wet cloth. I always wipe my dates before using it. So all the dates I will wipe open from one side so that I can de-seed this. And slit it from one side, take out the seed inside, and the inner thin layer also we will remove. So we have taken the seed of all the dates here. Keep on stirring the milk. And this is a very important part because keep on scraping from the kadhai and also from the bottom. Otherwise it may get burned at the bottom. So be very careful while stirring the milk. Constantly, otherwise the bottom part will become burnt. And keep on spreading it like this, and then keep on, then take it out, scrape it. This is the last stage and you have to be very careful while doing it. Yeah, it's almost done now. You can see, keep on spreading it like this and keep on scraping. This will develop a very good texture of your mawa. The texture will improve, and we need here absolutely. See, this has come almost done because we need very dry. So we will again put it on the sides, scrape it. My oven is still on. We'll dry it little more, and finally scrape it. Take it out. Again put the oven off. Yes, now the oven should be off and this should be spread out all over to cool down and to develop the good texture. So by the time this mawa is getting cool, let us work on our mishri. Mishri is the granulated sugar. It's different than sugar, and we take 1 tablespoon of mishri, which I have already powdered in this. So I have taken 1 tablespoon of mishri and I put it in this, which we use it for ginger and we use it for cardamom, and I have made this. Now here we have to see that the powder form is not used. So you can see this is a mishri, it comes in this form, and then I have taken 1 tablespoon of mishri and I have broken it into smaller pieces in this. Now we don't want the powdered one, so I will strain it in this so that the powdered ones are separated, and some pieces which are very big are also separated. So the very big ones again I will put it back in the morsel. This gives a very nice crunchy effect. So the size of this is very important for the final outcome. And we will put in this. See the form. And now we keep it separate with us. Let us now attend to the mawa, whether it's done or no. Mawa is already done. We scrape it nicely because it's cold. We can easily hold it and scrape the entire mawa. Scrape it and collect it in a bowl. Remove it in a bowl, the entire thing. So this is the mawa, what we have got, and this is a mishri. We mix it in this and mix it properly, and this thing will get stuffed in your dates. Mix it properly. Now the mawa is becoming crunchy because mishri is not getting diluted in this. It's not getting in the syrup form. It's getting in the granules form. So which will make the dish more delicious. Now we stuff it. Stuff it properly. Put to the sides. First you put to the sides and then put in the center. And then you have to press it to make it complete like this. So only a small portion should be visible from the top and it should look like the whole stuff. Again, see the second one. So we have stuffed all the dates. 10 dates are here and 2 more you can make. So in 1 liter of milk you can make 12 dates. Now stuff it, and then the powdered sugar what we had, the powder candy, just press little on the top. For all of them, it adds beauty to the entire thing, and even when you have it, the taste will be better. But one thing we are noticing that it is becoming little untidy on the top. So now we will take care of that because the presentation is very important in any dish. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this kitchen towel and dip it in the water, or rather you can say moist with the water. Squeeze it out and wipe the outer surface with this. To make it absolutely clean. So we wipe it properly and you see every piece has become absolutely clean, and now it's ready to serve. You can see the final outcome. Enjoy with your friends and your family. Next Thursday we are coming up with the next video. If you like it, please subscribe it and give your comments. Enjoy.